Hey everyone. So today I will be showing you that how to create a Medicat USB step by step. And if you're not sure what Medicat USB is, then let me tell you. It's a must-have tool for all the IT professionals and even for everyone looking to troubleshoot or recover from the serious computer issues. And with its broad range of tool, you can handle everything from virus removal to system repair to data recovery, and the disk partitioning, and even many more things. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly get started. So bring up any of your favorite browser, and go to the following website. Now here if you scroll down a bit it says password removal tool, ransomware and the malware recovery, partitioning and the disk utilities, backup and data recovery. There are even many more things that you can do with the Medicat USB that I will be showing you by the end of this video. Now before downloading the Medicat, you will have to make sure that you connect your USB that should be at least of 30 GB in space or more than that. And then you also need to disable your entire virus or your Windows security for a while so that none of the file of the Medicat should be blocked by the entire virus. So click on your Windows search type of virus and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection setting, you will have to click on Manage Settings. Disable the real-time, dev drive, cloud deliver, tamper protection, all the protection you have to disable here until the Medicat USB has been created. Now you will have to click on download here, then it will give you some other options here, like the installer, main download, and in the installer, you will find Windows or for the Linux. So now as we are doing in the Windows here, so I will click on Windows and the bat file of the Medicat USB will be quickly downloaded. So open the downloaded folder, right click on the Medicat installer here. Click Run as admin. So that it should have all the permission to run the file. And click on Run anyway. Click on Yes. And very soon you will be getting the Medicat installer page like this. And it says Medicat contain tools that may trigger your entire virus due to how some of the tools work. So press any key here to proceed. Now it will be downloading the initial file. So you will have to wait until it's all been done. It won't take much time here. And then finally you will be getting another page that says Welcome to the Medicat installer. Again here you have to press any key to continue. Next, it gives you some kind of warning at the top. It says if you paid for this software, then you are being scammed. So make sure that this tool is for absolutely free. And if someone is charging you any kind of amount, or any website is charging any kind of amount, then they are probably the fake website. So in order to continue, press any key again. And then finally, you will be coming to this kind of page. It gives you many options here like install Medicat, toggle drive format, Medicat Discord, visit site, check USB file. Now what we need exactly is the install Medicat option. Then it says getting the current Ventoy version is associated with the Ventoy. So again, wait for some time. And it says checking if current version on system update found downloading the latest Win2i. Now it says we now need to find out what drive you will be installing to. So now here you have to select your USB that you want to make the Medicat bootable USB. And now next it says could not find the Medicat file. Would you like to download them? Selecting no will let you find the file. Now we have not downloaded the Medicat file that contain all the file with that tool. So we have to download now. So you will have to click on yes here. Then it says how would you like to grab the file faster with the torrent direct with the CDN. So you can go with any of the option here. I will go with the faster one, that is the torrent. So I will click on it. And now finally the downloading of the Medicat file will be started. Now in between if it asks you for any permission or to install anything, then you have to go with that process. And then you will find that the downloading of the Medicat file has been started. Now if you have a look here it says 21 GB, so that was the reason I told you that your pen drive should be at least of 30 GB in space. Alright, so now it's going to take a long time guys, because it's around 21 GB of file. So you will have to just relax and sit until the downloading is being completed. Alright guys, so finally the Medicat USB has been created here. And you can have a look here on my file explorer, it says Medicat USB. Even the icon has been changed. And if I open it, so you will find all the tool here by the name antivirus, backup and recovery, boot repair, diagnostic tool, live operating system, partition tool, password removal. So many more things that are included in this tool. And now let me quickly show you the overview that how exactly this tool work. So now once your Medicat USB has been created, now you need to connect this USB to the computer where you want to use it, connect it, restart the computer, and boot with this Medicat USB, and once loaded, you will be getting this kind of Medicat USB page, and it will give you all the tool here, like entire virus, backup and recovery, boot repair, diagnostic tool, live operating system, partition tool, password removal, and the Windows recovery. Alright, so let me show you a few of them. If I go with the entire virus one here, it gives me the Malwarebyte option. And if I hit the enter key, then it says Malwarebyte bootable. So yes, I want to go with it. I will again hit the enter key. And the Malwarebytes bootable will now be loading up. And you will be getting this kind of dashboard, and it says your system is not fully protected.